When converting a one-piece swing-up garage door with a sectional roll-up garage door, there are a number of factors to take into account. And right now, we just got that garage door, that swing-up garage door, old style over there. We just took that off. In this video, we're gonna show you how to do that carefully, but there are some pro tips that I wanna cover and just give you guys the opportunity to think about, if you are tackling this type of work, to think about some of the safety precautions that you really want to implement. Let's party. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get, so we're just gonna go ahead and move the truck slowly out.
Today's video is sponsored by Jobber, and I'm not just going to talk about him, I'm going to rock about him. Let's party.
When morning breaks, my day takes flight. Jobber shows my path, shining bright. Routes are clear, no time to waste. Efficiency found at a rapid pace. No need to guess. Client notes make jobs a true success. On my way, a message flies. Professional service, no surprise. At the site where problems loom, a swift new quote dispels all gloom. Job complete, the work is neat. Photos stored, details complete. Bills go out no longer slow. Payments quickly start to flow. Online ease, the money's made. My cash flow now is never delayed. Day is done, tasks are through. Jobber shows what's good and true. Less the stress, more the might. While business grows, shining bright. So if you're keen to climb and soar, Jobber waits outside your door. Try it free, don't delay. It's how I thrive every single day. So if you're keen to climb and soar, Jobber waits outside your door. Try it free, don't delay. It's how I thrive every single day.
Okay, so we have the door now secured on top of the truck. And so the idea is that strapping it, you just want to strap it down to your rack. There's not a, I would say, an exact science. I happen to use anchors to be able to use my ratchet straps just to secure it in different parts of the door. I do not plan on going on the freeway, so I'm going to take the streets just to safely get me over to my destination, where I'm going to have this door taken off and then thrown into the boneyard, and hopefully we can do this safely. So again, the point about this whole video is when you're taking down an old one-piece garage door, you want to do this as safe as possible. I didn't have my hard hat. At least I have my gloves, my safety glasses. Of course, I have the proper attire. Nevertheless, I do want to think about how this could easily go south, especially when you're having to maneuver the door. This is not a one-man band job. It's really not. It is not a one-man band job. You need two people to be able to maneuver, to have a second pair of eyes, to be your spotter, to be your guide. It's just so important to think about the safety if you're doing this. Of course, we have a number of videos that we go into the safety parameters and the safety precautions that you could take to repair or replace your garage door opener. So check out one of these videos right here. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.